People of Tumakuru, Japan is coming to your city. Tumakuru no minasan, Nihon ga anata tachi no machi ni kimasu. Well, excuse my Japanese, but I tried my best. The English translation to that is, people of Tumakuru, Japan is coming to your city. Hi, arigato. Well, this is a straight up fight for global investment. Right now, state governments are racing to lure big business, and Karnataka's got a bold new card to play. While Andhra's Nara Lokesh is talking about a massive $1 trillion vision, Karnataka just quietly pulled off something huge. Tumakuru, a city just outside Bengaluru, is getting its second Japan industrial park. This move could seriously shake up the state's economy. So let's think, thousands of jobs, fresh billions, and a real shot for Karnataka to lead India's manufacturing race. The first Japan industrial township nearby is already packed. Japanese manufacturers have been asking the state for more space. And finally now, they're getting it. The first Japan industrial township in Tumakuru is actually spread across Vasant Anasarapura. Was developed by the Karnataka Industrial Areas Development Board, KIADB, in collaboration with Japan's JETRO and METI, commissioned to attract high-tech Japanese manufacturing. It's now almost full, housing over 100 firms including Toyota Kirloskar, Denso, and Hitachi suppliers. The park has world-class roads, power, and logistics links, and its success has actually sparked fresh demand from Japanese investors, which is very encouraging. The infrastructure work is, well, underway. Roads, the power aspect, a 220/66/11 kV substation is commissioned, and housing for workers and entrepreneurs have been developed. That's why Japan Industrial Park 2.0 is being fast-tracked, a 300-acre extension designed exclusively for Japanese companies in automotive, electronics, and precision engineering. So with the first park nearing capacity, Karnataka aims to double down on Japanese investment and manufacturing excellence. Simply put, the first park proved the model works. The second will decide how far Karnataka can go in the race for global factory power. Well, the park's prime location on the Chennai-Bengaluru Industrial Corridor connects it to 3 national highways, 2 airports, and the major Chennai port, allowing for efficient logistics and exports expected to exceed $5 billion annually. This is, of course, once the park is fully operational. Jobs-wise, where do we stand? This initiative is projected to create 15,000 direct manufacturing jobs and over 60,000 indirect jobs through supplier networks and service sectors in the next 5 years. Wow! Let's take a moment and embrace that fact. Brilliant. Karnataka is actually aiming to tap into Bengaluru's vast technology talent pool of 1.5 million IT professionals, blending skilled labor with advanced manufacturing. This integration is expected to drive smart factory capabilities using AI and Industry 4.0 technologies. Karnataka's big manufacturing push, well, comes directly from its new industrial policy, 2025-2030, unveiled by the Department of Commerce and Industries earlier this year. The policy targets, well, 7.5 lakh crore rupees, around $90 billion in fresh investments, and aims to generate 20 lakh new jobs by 2030. The focus, well, include electronics, aerospace and defense, biotechnology, green technologies, and advanced manufacturing with added incentives like production-linked benefits, capital subsidies, and infrastructure support to attract both domestic and foreign investors. So essentially, the state is signaling that it doesn't just want to be India's IT capital, but also a very serious manufacturing powerhouse. And Tumakuru's new Japan Industrial Park is the first affirmative and decisive step in that direction. Onwards and upwards, Karnataka. So, well, what sets Tumkuru apart? Here it is. While Vizag boasts direct deep water port access, Tumkur benefits from its prime location on the Chennai-Bengaluru Industrial Corridor, the CBIC, giving it seamless connectivity to multiple logistics hubs, including Chennai Port, Kempe Gowda International Airport, major highways, and rail networks. This multimodal connectivity supports faster inland movement and export-oriented manufacturing. Vizag has the port edge, but Tumkur, integrated corridor and proximity to Bengaluru's tech ecosystem creates a very strong balanced advantage for export-driven industries. So both hubs have very unique strengths, making this a very dynamic rivalry to watch out for. Finally, the state rivalry is getting fierce, as we all know. But if Karnataka plays it right and smart, Tumkur's second Japan industrial park could turn into India's next big manufacturing crown jewel. From smart automotive parts to AI-driven machines, Japan's precision is about to meet India's scale. And that, my friends, might be the start of a brand new industrial century for the region. All we have to say is arigato gozaimasu.